one of America's top 20 cities for job growth, a top 10 city for fastest rising income, the number one metro area for sustainable development. These are just a few of the economic achievements Grand Rapids has tallied of late. The city and its surrounding region have built one of the most successful economies in the U.S. over the past decade, and it's fueled an unprecedented surge in capital expenditures. Here are just a few examples of recent investments. Hotels. 7 new hotels have opened in downtown GR since 2016. The city center's largest hotel, the 656-room Amway Grand Plaza Curio Collection by Hilton, completed a $40 million renovation in 2021. Upgrades included installing floor-to-ceiling glass in all guest rooms to provide unobstructed views of the city. The Blue Jay Boutique Hotel is bringing a lodging option to the city's bustling Bridge Street Entertainment District, just steps from downtown. The Blue Jay will include 5 rooms, a shared lounge and bar area, and an outdoor courtyard with fire pits and lawn games. It is scheduled to open by early 2024. Plans are underway to add another downtown hotel, a 111-room Staybridge Suites, on the west bank of the Grand River, directly across from the Embassy Suites by Hilton Grand Rapids, which opened in 2019. Even more hotels have opened outside the city center since 2016, giving meeting planners and attendees a wealth of budget and amenity options close to both downtown GR and the region's airport. Gerald R. Ford International Airport. In summer 2023, the Gerald R. Ford International Airport unveiled Phase 1 of its Concourse A expansion project, which increased the number of gates from 8 to 14, enlarged gate space areas to accommodate larger-size aircraft, and added new concession and retail concepts. This expansion is part of the airport's Elevate program, which is designating more than $500 million in infrastructure improvements to improve the guest experience and position GRR for future growth. Additional improvements set to begin or already underway include a second-level executive lounge, a new federal inspection station to enable nonstop international passenger flights, the relocation of the current air traffic control tower, a consolidated rental car facility with an enclosed walkway from the terminal, and a new checked-bagged inspection system that will streamline the post-ticket counter journey for baggage. These enhancements will further distinguish an airport already renowned for its service. The Airports Council International recognized GRR in its 2022 Service Quality Awards categories of Best Airport of 5 million passengers in North America, Airport with the most dedicated staff in North America, Easiest Airport Journey in North America, and Cleanest Airport in North America. River Restoration. Planning continues on an ambitious project to revitalize the Grand River that runs through downtown and transform the way people engage with it. Long a magnet for fishing enthusiasts, the river will be redesigned to offer additional recreation opportunities and act as a catalyst for further development. The city's namesake rapids, long absent from the river, will be restored with the removal of downtown dams. Downtown Amphitheater. A 12,000-seat outdoor amphitheater is planned for a riverfront site in downtown GR, named Acrisure Amphitheater after one of the city's largest employers. The facility will be built on 31 acres that are also envisioned to incorporate a mixed-use development with housing, green space, and retailers. The $184 million venue is projected to open in 2026. Lyon Square. Another riverfront project, Lyon Square, is a pedestrian-focused park and plaza located between DeVos Place Convention Center and the Amway Grand Plaza Curio Collection by Hilton Hotel. New features include a covered river overlook, outdoor fireplace, public seating, additional tree canopy, lighting fixtures, and a sidewalk snowmelt system are being added to the square. Construction is expected to be completed by late 2024. Grand Rapids Public Museum. Enhanced access to the river is also integral to a $50 million expansion of the Grand Rapids Public Museum. The museum is transforming its outdoor space into a park-like environment with artifact displays, hands-on learning stations, seating, and food service. It is also detaching the pavilion housing its 1928 Spillman Carousel from the main building to allow for an accessible riverfront trail. In addition, several of the museum's core exhibition spaces will be refreshed and reimagined. Construction began in fall 2023 and is expected to take 2 years to fully complete. Downtown Soccer Stadium. A site is soon to be announced for the construction of a downtown soccer and event stadium. The stadium would host a professional soccer team with a vision to play its first games before the 2026 FIFA World Cup comes to America in 2026. Corwell Health. The area's largest employer, formerly known as Spectrum Health, operates a full-service hospital and a children's hospital in downtown. It is consolidating a portion of its workforce in a new $100 million Center for Transformation and Innovation in downtown's Monroe North neighborhood. It will include a renovated downtown building connected to a new 8-story facility, which together will accommodate 800 employees currently working in 18 offices across West Michigan. It is expected to open in summer 2024. Future plans for the site include the addition of medical student housing and market-rate housing. Children's Rehabilitation Hospital. Downtown's Mary Free Bed Rehabilitation Hospital, the nation's most comprehensive rehabilitation provider, is partnering with Helen DeVoe's Children's Hospital to build Michigan's first dedicated children's rehabilitation hospital. The $60 million Jones-Sequia Children's Rehabilitation Hospital will be built across the street from Mary Free Bed, with a pedestrian walkway between them. It is expected to open in 2025. Grand Valley State University. The downtown GR campus of this 22,000-student school continues to expand, with plans announced for a $140 million repurposing of its Riverside Eberhard Center into the Blue Dot Lab, housing computer science, data science, and transdisciplinary degrees in business, computing, and the humanities. This will help fulfill the city's vision to create 20,000 new tech jobs over the next decade and become a major tech hub in the Midwest. Downtown residential. The demand for downtown housing has skyrocketed as new and longtime residents want to be close to new amenities. The 22-story residential tower at the Studio Park Entertainment Complex, set for completion by summer 2024, is one of many projects looking to fill the need. Another is Factory Yards, a $150 million, 15-acre mixed-use development, a 10-minute walk from downtown's Founders Brewing Co., and the soon-to-be-built downtown Amphitheater. The Factory Yards project will renovate existing warehouses to incorporate apartments, commercial space, performance space, restaurants, art installations, and community gathering areas. Developers hope to complete the project by summer 2027, and officials estimate that an additional 35,000 housing units will be needed by 2027.